correlation, I give you that. Guys, everyone here, we're trying to get Rob Smith on right now.
Worst case scenario, we'll just have Rob type into the chat room.
Yeah. Rob, if you can hear me, we're trying to get you, but we can't, so if you have anything to say, maybe you can type it in. Or, okay, cool. Who lost us?
No, that's all. That's all.
Okay.
We're good.
Okay.
Guys, everyone read the blog. It was Eric's attempt to put the correlation between New York Yankee and or Met victories or playoff games into the market. He found out there was no correlation. But remember that the parade does start today at 11, so be ready for a little more volatile opening and then probably a pretty much slowdown right before the 11 o'clock start of the parade, which would be normal for a lot of parades that start down the Canyon of Heroes. Unemployment numbers came out above 10%. I guess what our futures came in with that right off the bat.
Although not quite as bad as you think.
Not as you think. Well, you know, I don't know. You'd have to think somewhat expected. They've been talking about this 10% number for a while.
Yes.
Asia up, you know, between 0.5% and 1%. Europe down 3/4. Actually went lower after the number came out with the jobs data. Dollar weaker. Oil down just over 1%. Gold up a little. Look for a possible short covering rally after the opening, especially if this thing really doesn't sell off, I guess.
Yeah.
Then the trades will slow down at about 11, guys. Don't think it won't, because it always does.
And it'll play slow down before 11.
Yeah.
People have to make their way down.
And it will get more volatile. AIG numbers out today. Originally came out, they seemed like they missed, but then after, and the stock went down $3-4. Then after you go through the numbers, they actually beat. What do you got, Eric?
Yeah, but the thing is with AIG too, they warned of the quote was continued volatility in their earnings.
Okay.
So that's basically them saying they have no clue what their earnings are going to be these next few quarters. So
Or they could have also, it could have been just the same as the cash for clunkers. They could have pushed their earnings forward. So they could beat by 70 this quarter and then lose by 70 next quarter.
So basically, just some of the air came out of the bubble. That's what it comes down to. If you want to call it a bubble, whatever you want to call it. Just a few things to look at. LEAP is a very interesting situation this morning. LEAP. We were trading this yesterday. Stock has been pummeled for how long, guys? 6 months, 7 months right now.
Yeah.
They missed earnings by about 40 cents last night. Stock actually was lower than where it is now. Got positive. It's negative again for the week tape. But it's one of those things. It's the crux of what we're trying to do here. It's barely down on horrible news, so you could get a pretty good short covering rally in it this morning.
There you go, something to focus on.
Yep.
Frank, you there?
He's not right here. He's not here right now.
Okay. We're trying to get Rob Smith on. I think he's going to type something in. I see him typing. Is he typing?
While he's doing that, if everyone can go to the forum, everyone in our chat room, go to our forum, capitalmarketforum.org. What we're going to try to do is put the trade of the day. I'm going to put one on there, what I'm looking for, what the most anticipated trade that I have for the day. And if you guys could do the same, and we'll all read them. And, you know, not only put them up there on the forum and make a pick, but explain why. And we'll see if we have any success with that. We'll talk about it also. So that's pick of the day at capitalmarketforum.org. So we have this forum as a resource, and I believe that it can improve our trading overall.
Okay, when we get Rob, if we get him before the opening, he'll say a few words. If not, baseball season's over.
You can switch him off of...
Look for the Giants to win this week against San Diego, another team that
you can switch
has been depressed for a while.
Rob off of...
Okay.
No,
Rob, say right now, guys, on the chat, oil's getting hit, financials down big as well. He wanted to make the point to reiterate the importance of watching the entire sector. There's a setup in one of the stocks, which is true. He keeps hearing guys getting bummed out, taking 20 cents, and things keep going. CVS, the real life was okay. So he was saying like yesterday, the CVS trade was great, but he saw a layup in Walgreens. So yeah, that's true. When you see, but it also has to be set up there. Don't just turn to a stock in a different sector and think you're going to press a button. and get the same results. It's great. It's great if you can. If you turn to these other stocks, please let us know if you're watching one and you see it. And that's it. Giants will beat San Diego this week. Can't lose 4 in a row. Guys from Jersey should be happy. Anyone else? All right,
I
guys.
guess that's about it.
Good luck. Be careful.
Good luck trading.
Be careful trading AIG, guys.
1982 or 1983, and that recession, the unemployment rate peaked at what, 10.8?